Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. So in today's video, let's see how to run C++ programs in VS Code. So to run any programming language code, you will need the compiler for that language. So for C and C++, we will use MinGW. To download this software, you have to open Google and type for MinGW. And here you have to download it from search4.net. Start downloading it. After download, install it, open, click on install. So here is the installation directly. It will install that MinGW compiler in C directory. Then click on continue. I will click on reinstall because I have installed it already. So let the process completes. Click on continue. Then here it will ask you which package you have to install. So I will choose MinGW 32 base and the G code compiler. So after choosing these two packages, installation, apply changes and apply again. So it will install that compiler, 32-bit compiler. Wait for installation. Here all changes were applied successfully. Just close this normally, close this. Now we have to update the MinGW path in system variables. So just go to your C directory where the MinGW is installed. So this PC, C directory, and here you have to open MinGW and copy this bin path. So here we are having C++ compiler. So just copy this path and open system variable. You have to search for where. So here edit system variables, environment variables, and click on path. So in system variables, click on path, click on edit and add new and add MinGW bin path, right? Then after adding this path, click on OK. Now C++ compiler knows where the MinGW is. So it will take that compiler. Now one more thing you will need to run the code, you will need the extension code runner. So just enable this extension or install if it is not installed. Then and then only you will get that button to run the code here. So here I will try to run this simple C code. C code. So just ignore all this warning and see here hello. If I change this to subscribe, then and then only you will get the new output. So sometimes it may happen. So if you are having any problem, any query, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.